Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here with iBEAM's brand new TE-360-3D. It's a bird's eye view 360 camera system that uses 4 cameras mounted around the vehicle to give you a bird's eye view of your surroundings. The visuals of this system can be used to increase the safety of the driver when in situations like parking a vehicle or switching lanes on the highway. The cameras need to be mounted in specific locations on the vehicle. The backup camera on the rear of the vehicle, 2 side cameras, and 1 in the front of the vehicle. It's important when installing the cameras to try and keep them at the same height around the vehicle and make sure there are no moving objects in the way of the wiring. Once all the cameras are mounted and the module and the monitor are wired up for power, it's time for calibration of the cameras. Calibration is very important and needs to be done correctly to ensure that you have the correctly blended bird's eye view of the vehicle. The calibration measurements are listed in the provided manual. The calibration for this system is a little bit different than others. The supplies needed are the provided calibration tape, a measuring tape, and the box from the product itself. We also use chalk to measure out the area before laying down the tape. Using the manual as a guide, measure out the vehicle to decide which vehicle size is appropriate for calibration. Then measure out the calibration of the vehicle per the specifications in the manual. These measurements are very important when the calibration needs to be done in the programming. After marking with chalk, laying the calibration tape can be done. This needs to be done around the entire vehicle. Calibration needs to be done on all 4 cameras at the same time for the best results. Once the tape is laid down, calibration can begin. It is suggested to be done on a TV if possible. It's very important to first go and select the size of the vehicle. Then you can go on to calibrating each camera. When calibrating each camera, the boxes are needed to be able to mark the correct point of reference for the blending of the visual. The boxes will need to be moved to each side when calibrating each individual camera. After each camera is calibrated, the merging computation must be done. Now on to tuning. Here are the menu options that are available with the TE-360-3D. There are different options that can be changed in the menus, like duration and the delay of the visuals on the screen. In this menu, you can also set the parking surveillance option and the sensitivity of the G sensor. When everything is installed and tuned, the surrounding bird's eye view image will be seamless. When each camera is activated by the blinkers, the image will show up on the monitor. Each camera also allows multiple views that can be cycled through when the camera is activated. This is a great solution for vehicles with blind spots that cannot be covered by the side view mirrors or rear view mirrors. The TE-360-3D can also be used as a surround view DVR for solutions that require video evidence like an accident. For any more information on this product, you can visit us at ibeamusa.com, metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.